Okay, so we're doing a review. This is a Max Extract 60 by Hoover with the Spin Scrub Pressure Pro, which is just these little brushes. They kind of spin around in circles. Actually, it works pretty well if you ask me. I bought this used on Craigslist. I cleaned it up a little bit. Like pulled some of the carpet fibers from here. You probably want to do that every now and then because it seems to be getting a lot from my carpets. But I just ran 1 tank of water without soap, just hot water. And on this room right here. It covered about, well, it's probably about 10 by 5 feet. So it's not bad. You probably take 2 fills, maybe 3, less than 3 fills for this entire room. But I just wanted to say so far it's working pretty good. I don't know what the price of these online is. Probably about under 200, but I got this for 45 bucks on Craigslist. And everything's working so far. Came with all the attachments, which is just one attachment, one handheld. And so I wanted to show this. This is the dirty water. So you can see there's even some dirt at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. Well, you can see it's quite dirty water. Although the carpets look clean, this is all it pulled from there, which I think is pretty good. It's even comparable to the Rug Doctor with much less cost. The spinning brushes really do help it. Of course, I had to go through and vacuum it back and forth a couple times, 2 to 3 times, or as much as I felt needed. With these machines, you'll want to give them their time. You want to take it real slow as you can go, actually, to let the brushes do their work. And you might need to do it a few times to get enough water on the carpets through the sprayer. The way it works is you pull the trigger as you're pushing it. The sprayer heads are in the front, of the brushes, and right behind the vacuum. So you want to spray the water down as you push it and let go of the trigger when you're pulling it. It's pretty much the only instructions for the use. Okay. So I'm just going to empty this out into the toilet so you can see. It's quite dirty, actually. Water's quite black. It's difficult to see there. Some of the residue. Yep, that's about it. I don't know how many stars I give this so far, but I definitely give it thumbs up so far. I may add more in the description as I continue to own this household appliance. Okay. Click to subscribe if you like. I'm really interested in downsizing and have a more efficient living. I'm looking at tiny house, motorhomes, and trailers. And I'll probably like a lot of those on my channel. So subscribe if you're interested in those type of things. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks guys.